The Industry 4, Fourth to Forthcoming Industrial Revolution, an initiative to serve the industry and society. Hello everyone, welcome to the Industry 4. I am Kuldeep Kaushik and today we are going to discuss about Cloud Native and the Industry 4. Today I am going to speak on Cloud Native journey. It's about the 4 steps of Cloud Native journey. The Industry 4 and Cloud Native. Every industry no matter how big or small must digitalize by cultivating the benefits from the implementation of emerging technologies. To realize this digitalization, cloud computing is the most critical emerging technology which is proving its impact in all kinds of industry verticals. As we are now entering the 4th industrial revolution or Industry 4.0, like its 3 predecessors, Industry 4.0 brings about new levels of productivity in manufacturing through applying technology and automation in both production and management processes. In this way, Industry 4.0 could not be excluded when we discuss cloud computing and its highest maturity level, that is the cloud native, which is the key for exposing the maximum capabilities of Industry 4.0 applications. Being first to cloud native means being first to greater scale, diversified interoperability and greater efficiency than ever before. So what's needed? What's needed for Industry 4.0 based enterprises to take their organization functions and applications into the cloud? Cloud native. It's about a progression path. It's about a progression path from a traditional IT environment to cloud native in a form of journey, in a form of modernization, and in a form of maturity model. To understand the cloud native, we must understand the cloud native progression path. We must understand the cloud native evolution journey. The evolution journey for cloud native can be defined in 4 steps, starting with traditional computing environments to current form of cloud native computing environment. The first step towards cloud native journey is our traditional computing environment. This is the legacy form of IT infrastructure and application environment in which different enterprise IT functions and applications were tied to specific hardware and the product were dependent on the hardware itself. In this scenario, an enterprise had hardware from different OEM vendors which are incompatible with each other. Now the second step towards cloud native journey is virtualized computing environment. Virtualization is the stepping stone or like a bridge towards cloudification. Virtualization facilitates hardware consolidation by making it possible to run applications on generic and common hardware, mostly known as COTS, common off-the-shelf hardware. This was the first step towards cloudification but still was not yet the real form of cloudification. The virtual network functions are still siloed, effectively delivering the benefits of cloud-less significance as there is no pooling of hardware resources across the different applications for different enterprises functions. Now the third step towards cloud native journey is cloudified computing environment. This next step in the journey towards cloud native is the evolution towards automation and elasticity. It is about the scaling up and scaling down of required IT infrastructure resources in an elastic and automatic form. At this step, the cloud layer made it feasible to automate the deployment of applications into the data centers running on generic COTS common off-the-shelf hardware, and elasticity, scale up and scale down, supported through VNF means virtual network functions managers depending on an application's capability and requirements. In addition to virtualization, now we have automation in place, and now it is possible to run many separate applications with the same tools and in the same IT environment. Now moving towards the fourth step of our cloud native journey. The final step of our cloud native journey is to evolve application architecture towards cloud native applications, which is our ultimate motive and destination of our cloud native journey. This involves the decomposing of enterprise functions into microservices and make it feasible to run the applications as infrastructure independent. This means we can deploy and run our applications in the form of microservices in different scenarios, like as directly on the hardware or on virtual machines or in containers. Furthermore, in addition to infrastructure independence, the most important quality is programmability and automation, which we have achieved by the implementation of DevOps. Let's move forward to understand the important aspects of cloud native. These are the important aspects of an enterprise is going to be impacted by the adoption and implementation of cloud native. The first aspect is application design and development. This is the way we design and build our software applications. Second aspect is technology and infrastructure. This is the way we deploy our applications on our IT infrastructure. Third aspect is process and ways of working. This is the way we work in a collaborative environment as compared to silo zones. And the fourth one is management and orchestration. This is the way we manage our applications and infrastructure with a holistic approach. Now the most important fact is that all these aspects do not provide any outcome in separation, means these all aspects have an effect on each other, so not any of them should be unnoticed at any point in time. For example, if applications, infrastructure and orchestration all follow the cloud native design rules and patterns, yet we would not be able to take all the benefits and full potential of cloud native setup if we have not worked on processes and ways of working. Thank you for being with us. See you again with our new videos on the Industry 4.